Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to be learning how to hide balance in Kraken application. To hide balances on Kraken, open your Kraken application on your device and then log into your account. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From the Accounts tab, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, toggle on the button right next to Hide Balances, and then you can get back to the home page. Now, once you get to the Portfolio tab, you will be able to see that your balance is now hidden. To show the balance again, you will need to tap on your hidden balance once more. And there you have successfully hidden your balance on Kraken with just a single click. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.